Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past question number 10. And the instruction to this question says that we choose the word that is most nearly opposite a meaning to the word that is italicized, and the word that is in italicized form is fake. And when we talk of fake, fake means fake simply means not real. Yes, not real, something that is not real. Then, and the sentence say the pharmacist sold fake drugs to the patient. The pharmacist sold fake drugs to the patient. Option A say adulterated, B say effective, C say expired, D say genuine, E say potent. And when we talk of potent, something that is potent has strength. The word strength. So when we talk of genuine means something that is real. When we talk of expire, that is outdated. Something that expire is outdated. Then when we talk of effective, we mean something that is strong. When we talk of something that is outdated, it means something that is impure, or something that is fake. So the only word that can actually serve as the opposite of the word fake here is genuine, because we say fake means not real and we have real, so this serves as the opposite of this serves as the opposite. So option D is correct, which is genuine. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.